Hello guys, we all are here at we all are gathered together here for traveling to Lacheng. It's in Gangtok. We are in Sikkim.
क्या? Okay, okay.
We are in Sikkim, and we had been told that there is not much cold, but let me show you guys what's happening here. See, this is the scene here.
Oh yes, this is the scene.
Yeah,
Yes, this is the scene.
yeah, and we met a stranger.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello. Huh? So we are gathered here at Sikkim, Lacheng, and as you all know that we have been the team. We are the team of It's a Winner vlog, and we are traveling in Lacheng. Here's the scene. Here is my fellow friend. They are my
spot.
fellow brother.
Spot what we wanted.
Yeah,
That's
okay.
the spot.
See this spot? This is what we are experiencing, and there are so many tourists, as you all can see here. Many people have arrived here. Okay, many people have. Yeah. As you all can see here, we are enjoying, and I recommend.
Fellows are TikTokers.
Yes, you all can see here. They all are enjoying. They all are enjoying. You shut the fuck your mouth, okay? Yeah. See this guy? Such a bullshit guy. He's actually experiencing that. He's enjoying. This is what real enjoyment is. Let me show you some great views here. You all can see here. Just see. This is what it is to be in Sikkim in winter season. We are in Lacheng, and we all are experiencing the great enjoyment. We're enjoying and enjoying and enjoying. Just now, see there. We all are. ये देखो, हम लोग यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे से मतलब पूरा खेल रहे हैं. स्नोफॉल हुआ ना, तो ये देखो इन्हें. वाह, नाइस. Yes, he is the main creator of a channel, as you all know. It's my job to do this vlogging because he is having some pain in his hand. That's why I'm the one who is shooting this vlog. So it's his, it's ours. We all are together. We 5 are equal to 1. Just know that. And yeah, just see the nature. This is the water which is. और ये देखो, यहाँ बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट आए हुए हैं. ये जगह अच्छी है, मतलब ये नामी भी है. सिक्किम में आप लोगों ने गैंगटॉक सुना होगा. गैंगटॉक में एक्चुअली कुछ नहीं है. गैंगटॉक है एक सिक्किम का बस वो कैपिटल है, और वो कुछ नहीं है. ये देखो, ये लोग फोटो शूट कर रहे हैं. देख लो बैकग्राउंड सीन है ये.
Hi guys.
Hello.
This is Sudhanshu Vinay.
Yeah, he is my brother. My cousin he is, and he is also my cousin. He is my bestest friend ever, and a friend from another mother. Brother from another mother. Actually, brother from another mother. And they all are capturing some good pictures. If you wanna see those pictures, you can follow us at Instagram. I will give the link in description. And there's no worry. You all can follow us and so see that picture. And see this. Not these two fellows, but the background you see. Background. We are in clouds, and such an experience is such an experience in our life is so much joyful. We should experience. I recommend you all to please, if you have time, visit this place. and that also at winter. You all will be satisfied with your all the money you will spend here. You will be just satisfied. And लोग लोग कहते हैं कि मखमल के बिस्तर पे सोना चाहिए. ये देखिए, इससे अच्छा स्नो से अच्छा कौन सा आपको बेड मिलेगा. जैसा कि देख लीजिए, यहाँ ठंडी बहुत है, लेकिन आप लोगों को ये ठंडी लेनी चाहिए. मैं क्यों फोटो खींच रहा हूँ यार, मैं तो व्लॉगिंग कर रहा हूँ. ओ फोटो ले लो कैमरामैन, फोटो लो यार. 1206. His password it is 1206. See that bullshit guy. See them.
वो नहीं दिख रहा है यार. पास लोग रख गए, जमा करके रखा है.
See this. This is such a beautiful environment today, man. Such a beautiful. Hey, why not we should come here in personal space? Hey, come on. आ जाओ यार, यहाँ आ जाओ. There are they. See those, they are the bikers, and we always support them. And there will be one time in future, of course, we will be traveling to everywhere, Leh Ladakh and Bhutan, Nepal, Sikkim, everywhere, Goa, Jaipur, everywhere from a bike, and that will be a true adventure plus a great experience to have in our life. दूसरा चीज़ मैं आप लोगों को देखूं, ये देखो, ये जो है हमारे आयुष भैया, इनका हाथ सिर्फ व्लॉगिंग करने टाइम ही ठंडा हो जाता है, बाकी समय ये सिर्फ एंजॉय करते रहता है. I love you guys. Yeah. And we are here. Just please come on your vlog.
Thank you.
I'm coming too.
Yara, he is a great man.
Thank you.
Respected man.
People here are too good. They just enjoy the moment. Just enjoy them. That's my uncle and my cousin's father. Yeah. See, this is what we made. Hey, please give me. Hey, this is the snowman we built, and we are enjoying. ये देखो, यहाँ तो ये बंदा जो है ना, ये बंदा सिर्फ फोटो कर
ये बंदा,
और ये बंदा जो है, ये हमारा स्नोमैन है. इसकी नाक देखो, मैं ले लेता हूँ. ये देखो,
आप देखो, स्नोमैन सॉलिड है.
क्या कर दिया रे?
स्नोमैन सॉलिड है.
ये देखो, मतलब ये
बनाओ.
this is too good. This is too good. There he is, our uncle. He is sitting there, and we are enjoying. Too much we are enjoying. It's a scene, man. See, we all are here. We all 5 is equal to 1. We are not 5. We are 1. Yeah. Check. Yes. And the second thing is, yeah. Of course, why not? And here I come to see my uncle, actually Abhinav's Ayush Bhaiya's father, and here he is. Say hi to the vlog. Hi, Boli.
Hi, Jojo Honey Singer.
Yeah, Honey Singh. We all are enjoying it. One more uncle was with us, but don't know where he is, and they are also travelers. You can see. Actually, we prefer to walk, not to just go with the vehicle and not enjoy the snow. In real matter, see, these are the scenes. This is the beauty. This is the beauty of Sikkim. This is what we should experience. And see what the view is. These views you all can't experience everywhere in the world. These are just unique everywhere. Unique it is. Unique they are. See that model, he's he's thinking that he is a yeah Mr. Universe, huh? But you are not. No, but you are not. Mr. Universe you are. Yeah, see, AM. For what it is, AM? Sam. Do you know who he is? Who she is?
बाक यार क्या समझ में यार ग्रुप में लीजिए ना यार
Sam.
हम कहाँ खिंचा रहे सिंगल अब
See, there are and we have true respect for them because in this much cold they are riding the bike and coming here. They are actually the pro riders. They are pro riders, and they are what they are. See them. See them. They are the real adventures. Let's see what's up there. Okay. I will show you everything. Everything we will show, and these are the funs which we are having here. And you can see him. See this.
ब्लॉग है तो कुछ नहीं बोल रहा है
Yeah. Yes. Actually, if the vlog was not going on, he would have given me some tonic. Let's go there. Let's. We are at 9,000 feet above sea level, and we experience here some lack of oxygen.
खैर थोड़ा बुरा देख लिए हम बनाया हुआ मेरा तो उनसे देखेंगे टूट गया होगा
कौन बोला?
ऊपर आओ.
Hey!
लैक
Okay,
ऑफ ऑक्सीजन
we should hike up.
चाइना का फोर्स है पाकिस्तान में तो 21 फीट से मिल जाएगा
Okay, guys. Let's we should end this vlog, and let's we should end this vlog as we all go higher and higher. The snow just increases. ये बढ़ती जा रही है.
आराम से.
ये देखो बढ़ती ही जा रही है. फिसलन बहुत है. वो ये देखो क्या मस्त है. Everything is fine here. Just enjoying the moment and enjoying the scenery here. See him always tapping his girlfriend's name. Sam. Sometimes please write her name also.
जो यहाँ टांग जा रहा ऊपर यहाँ टांगी नहीं ना नहीं भैया
See the depth here. See this depth.
जम जाएगा
We all are enjoying the scenery. let you see this beautiful scenery.
अरे यहाँ एक नंबर चलो
Beautiful scenery. Yeah, I took. See that. Actually, I'm going to end this vlog to as soon as possible. Don't worry. See them. Just come up. It's freezing cold here. He's abusing. Don't mind that, please. So let's just see that.
मेरा फोन दे बाबू अभी नहीं आने वाला
गाना बंद कर सकता
ए निको बता फोटो बाद में भी ले लोगे
बर्बादियां
तेरा
भाई सॉरी स्लिपरी है यार Okay, now we start. Okay, slowly and steady. Easy. No, we are going down. Easy. See, nobody is here except us. For the suit, we went up.
Oi.
Now it's very much
Easy.
looking down. That's it. Okay. धीरे धीरे आराम से
आराम से
भाई आराम से
ओके 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 आराम से गिरना नहीं है
कोई जल्दीबाजी नहीं है भाई आराम से
ओके ओके धीरे धीरे
बाबू बैक से मुझे साथ में पीछे कैमरा
रुक जाओ
See, there no guys is here except us. We came all around just to shoot some videos and photos. That's it. धीरे से आजा no worries
बाबू नीचे करो
easy
आराम से उतरेगा भाई
good boys
गुड कीप गोइंग स्लोली
ये जो टेक्निक है ये ऑब्वियसली
गाइस
इंडियन आर्मी काफ़ी डिफिकल्ट वही से चढ़ते हैं उतरते हैं काफ़ी मुश्किल हो रहा है हम लोगों को भी ऊपर चढ़ने और उतरने में सबसे पहला तो हाथ फ्रीज हो जाता है यार
freeze हो गया
प्लस
ऊपर से हम लोग यहाँ 9000 फीट ऊपर है
बाबू नीचे
मीन सी लेवल
प्लस
पे
और एक इशू ये होता है कि ऊपर जितना ऊपर जाते हैं तो ऑक्सीजन लेवल भी कम होता है ना तो हम लोग ऊपर जितना ऊपर
ओके आराम से इजी
स्लोली सो ऑक्सीजन लेवल कम होने के कारण सांस लेने में दिक्कत होती है ओ वेट गियर डाउन
वेट पर लेट से इमरजेंसी ब्रेक लगेगा इसमें
देयर इज नो चांस फॉर इमरजेंसी ब्रेक one mistake and we are gone
मेरा जोर से पकड़ लिया
see guys still I'm showing you the views around. Okay, wait.
इजीली ब्रो
So I am showing you the views
धीरे
around.
धीरे आगे बढ़ो
We
यार
are above the cloud, okay? And we are like something about 9,000 feet, no?
Yeah, 9,000.
9,000.
Actually, it is 9,000.
Above.
7.
Above level.
6 to 700. 9,600.
Okay, nice. Something around 10,000. It's something around 10,000.
और लास्ट में
And-
फाइनली वी रीच
And obviously सांस लेने में यार काफ़ी दिक्कत हो रहा है. See here. जितना चल रहा है ना बहुत 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 से हो रहा है. That's okay. Wait, I'm showing you a scene. See guys, nobody is here except our team. See, okay, wait, okay. Now it's not that much cliff like there. We came all around from that side. That's. Now it's easy. स्लोपिंग कम है कुछ कुछ. और यहाँ पे ये देखो ब्रो, इफ यू कैन सी लाइक यहाँ पर स्नोफॉल हो रही है. ठीक है, काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है देखकर. आई डोंट नो ये कैम में स्नैप हो रहा होगा कि नहीं, बट इफ आई कैन शो यू फ्रॉम माय हैंड्स देन ओ अच्छे सीन है यार. स्नो, लॉट ऑफ स्नोज हियर. वेट यहाँ पर काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्लोप हो रहा है फिर से. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू यूज द हैंड्स. एंड दिस शोज द परफेक्ट टीम वर्क. टीम फॉर्मेशन, टीम वर्क. दिस इज द परफेक्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ टीम वर्क. यहाँ पर टीम वर्क जरूरी होता है यार. तो सोच लो, इससे आप इमेजिन कर सकते हो कितना मुश्किल, काफ़ी मुश्किल होता होगा इंडियन आर्मी को. We just came all above just to show you guys all this. So please do like and subscribe our YouTube channel, yaar. We are working a lot for you all guys. See, this is the view. और देख लो, मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ, वो वहाँ पे रोड है सामने, देख रहे हो, वहाँ पर लोग आते हैं बस. बट हम लोग वहाँ काफ़ी ऊपर चढ़ गए थे. Still, just to show you guys this all things. I hope guys you all will like this video. So please do subscribe and like our YouTube channel. Thank you brother.
Let's end this vlog, okay? And here we are.
And the second part is coming soon, okay?
And let's just have a good farewell. और सभी को हमारी तरफ से हैप्पी क्रिसमस एंड न्यू ईयर. वी विश यू अ हैप्पी क्रिसमस एंड वी विश यू अ हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. ओके, लेट्स जस्ट कम इन वन फ्रेम ब्रदर्स. कम ऑन.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
All of us to every one of you.
Yeah.
Happy New Year, bro!
Happy New Year! At the count of 3. One, 2, 3. Happy New Year! हाँ, और जाते जाते एक और चीज़, अगर ये व्लॉग आपको पसंद आया तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, और अगर कुछ रिकमेंडेशन हो तो कमेंट ज़रूर करें. Bye bye. Once more time. Everyone please say here bye to the vlog. One, 2, 3.
Bye bye!
Bye.
Bye, but we are coming
Have a
soon.
good day!
And we love you all.
Bro!